Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Security Playbook. Technology is constantly changing. That means cyber attacks are evolving too. New vulnerabilities and attack methods are discovered continuously. Security is becoming a significant business concern because of the resulting reputation and financial impact from security breaches. Attacks are targeting critical networks and sensitive data. Organizations should have plans to prepare for, deal with, and recover from a breach. One of the best ways to prepare for a security breach is to prevent one. There should be guidance on identifying the cybersecurity risk to systems, assets, data, and capabilities, protecting the system by the implementation of safeguards and personnel training, and detecting cybersecurity event as soon as possible. When a security breach is detected, appropriate actions should be taken to minimize its impact and damage. The response plan should be flexible with multiple action options during the breach. After the breach is contained and the compromised systems and services are restored, security measures and processes should be updated to include the lessons learned during the breach. All this information should be compiled into a security playbook. A security playbook is a collection of repeatable queries, reports, against security event data sources that lead to incident detection and response. Ideally, the security playbook must accomplish the following actions. Detect malware-infected machines. Detect suspicious network activity. Detect irregular authentication attempts. Describe and understand inbound and outbound traffic. Provide summary information including trends, statistics, and counts. Provide usable and quick access to statistics and metrics. Correlate events across all relevant data sources. This figure shows play strategy drawn out on a chalkboard.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.